ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹಳೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದು ಮೈ ಜಾರ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ನೋ ಮೋರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. Head means our head is called head. Hair means this is a hair. Forehead means it is a forehead, face. Eyes means our eyes. Nose means our nose. This is only. This is mouth. What you know mouth? Mouth is this is the mouth. Lips. This is all the lips. This is our teeth. This is our teeth. Tongue. This is a tongue. Okay. Cheeks. Cheeks means this only. This is our cheeks. Chin. Chin means this is a chin they call. Ears. Ears means this is only called a ears. What is this? Neck. There is a neck. Here it is a neck. Shoulders where? Here is a this is a shoulder. Hand. Where is an hand? This is called a hand. In hand many more parts are there, no? Arm means what? This is called a arm. Next, fingers. This is what they call these fingers. What is this? Nails. This is called a nails. Next is stomach. What's this? Stomach. Legs. Legs means this is called a leg. Knees. Where is the knees? Our knee is here. This is called a knee. Next, what we'll learn? Foot. This is called a foot. What's that? Foot. Next is what? Anklets. Anklets means what? No? We will put for our legs, no, white color. It is called a anklets. Now, toe. Toe means what? That is the finger of the leg. Toe. Thank you everyone for the watching this video. Next video ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.